मेरा दिन अच्छा गुजर रहा है। I am having a good day. I am having a good day. Or you can say, I am going through a good day. I am going through a good day. वो निकल गया होगा। He would have left. He would have left. हमें समझौता करना होगा। We will have to compromise. We will have to compromise. आपके पास कितना पैसा है? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? मेरा टाइम अच्छा कट रहा है। I am having a good time. I am having a good time. और I am going through a good time. आपने उसे कॉल किया होगा। You would have called him. You would have called him. आप रख लीजिए ये पेन। You keep this pen. You keep this pen. और you have this pen. You have this pen. कार होना मेरी दिली इच्छा है। To have a car is my wholehearted will. To have a car is my wholehearted will. हमें घर जाना होगा। We will have to go home. We will have to go home. आप ये अपने पास रखिए। You keep it with yourself. You keep it with yourself. or you have it with yourself. You have it with yourself. ये लीजिए। Have it please. Have it please. or here it is. Here it is. क्या मुझे जाना है? Have I to go? Have I to go? or you can say, do I have to go? Do I have to go? उसने घर के अंदर देखा। He looked inside the house. He looked inside the house. उसके आगे कोई नहीं खड़ा है। There is no one standing ahead of him. There is no one standing ahead of him. वो राम के बगल में बैठा है। He is sitting next to Ram. He is sitting next to Ram. मैं 2 साल पहले यहाँ था। I was here 2 years ago. I was here 2 years ago. or you can say, I had been here 2 years ago. I had been here 2 years ago. हमारे सिर के ऊपर छत है। There is a roof over our heads. There is a roof over our heads. मैंने चाकू से केक काटा। I cut the cake with a knife. I cut the cake with a knife. मैं दोपहर में वहाँ था। I was there in the afternoon. I was there in the afternoon. वह रात में हॉस्पिटल गया। He went to hospital at night. He went to hospital at night. हम जन्मदिन पर आए थे। We had come at birthday. We had come at birthday. मैं खिड़की से तुम्हें देख सकती हूँ। I can see you through the window. I can see you through the window. सोच से परे भी चीज़ें हैं। There are things beyond imagination. There are things beyond imagination. मैं होली पर घर आऊँगा। I will come home at Holi. I will come home at Holi. हम रात में पढ़ते हैं। We study at night. We study at night. ज़रूरत में काम आया दोस्त ही सच्चा दोस्त है। A friend in need is a friend indeed. A friend in need is a friend indeed. अपने बच्चों को अपना काम करने दो। Let your children do their work themselves. Let your children do their work themselves. आइए तुम्हारा जन्मदिन मनाएं। Let's celebrate your birthday. Let's celebrate your birthday. मैंने ये पुस्तकें उसे नहीं दी। I didn't give him these books. I didn't give him these books. क्या उसने नीली शर्ट पहनी? Did he wear a blue shirt? Did he wear a blue shirt? राम एक कोने में बैठा है। राम is sitting in a corner. राम is sitting in a corner. राहुल मेरे ठीक सामने था क्या? Was Rahul exactly in front of me? Was Rahul exactly in front of me? क्या तुम्हारे पीछे कोई नहीं है? Is there no one behind you? Is there no one behind you? वो मेरी जिंदगी का बहुत अहम दिन था। It was a very important day of my life. It was a very important day of my life. राम को लिखने में ज़्यादा समय नहीं लगा। Ram didn't take much time to write. Ram didn't take much time to write.